At the intersection of ancient nature and modern engineering, a new standard of luxury is born. Every fiber is pushed to its limit to ensure a texture that defines the peak of quality. This is the final result of a journey that begins in the wild and ends in the hands of the elite.
Before the craft begins, the raw power of nature must be refined through cutting-edge science.
The process begins at Capital Bull HQ, where the world's finest specimens arrive at a facility like no other.
Arrival is handled with clinical precision, ensuring the integrity of the material from the very first step.
Expert handlers and automated systems work in harmony to move the herd into the primary holding zone.
The environment is strictly controlled, maintaining optimal conditions for the animal's health and coat quality. Sophisticated logistics ensure that every individual is accounted for in this high-tech sanctuary.
Nutrition is a science here, designed to produce the most durable and supple hides in the world.
Cleanliness is paramount, as even the smallest blemish can compromise the final product. Every specimen is selected for its unique characteristics, destined to become a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Hydration and care are the foundation of the premium leather process. Continuous monitoring ensures that only the healthiest animals proceed to the next stage of the cycle. The journey continues through a series of specialized zones, each more advanced than the last. The purification phase begins, removing all impurities from the hide and horns through a multi-stage wash. This isn't just cleaning, it's a deep tissue preparation for the material extraction to come. Every inch of the animal is treated with a level of detail usually reserved for fine art. Once purified, the animals move into the diagnostic phase for a full digital evaluation. Advanced AI analyzes the unique grain and density of each specimen, pre-planning the most efficient use of the material.
This digital blueprint ensures that no part of these magnificent creatures is wasted.
Quality control is a constant, ensuring the raw materials meet the rigorous standards of Capital Bull HQ. With certification complete, the transition from living animal to raw material begins in the processing sector. We enter the extraction zone, where the focus shifts to the two most valuable components, the horn and the hide. Each horn is manually inspected for structural integrity before the automated refinement process takes over. Precision cutting is the first step in transforming raw bone into a luxury accessory. A secondary, intensive cleaning process removes all organic residue from the interior of the horns.
This stage prepares the horn for the chemical stabilization that will preserve it for decades.
Controlled drying is essential to prevent cracking and ensure the bone remains strong and workable. Detailing is done by hand to ensure every crevice is perfectly prepared for the next stage. AI categorization sorts the horns by hue and pattern, matching them to specific luxury product lines. This level of automation allows for perfect consistency across our high-volume production. Human expertise remains the final filter, catching details that even the most advanced sensors might miss.
The raw stock is stored in a climate-controlled environment, waiting for the master craftsman to call for it.
Simultaneously, the hides undergo a transformation that will turn raw skin into the world's most sought-after leather. The initial prep is a tactile process, requiring a feel for the material's thickness and elasticity. In the tannery sector, the hides are treated with a proprietary blend of minerals to stabilize the protein fibers. This slow, rhythmic process is where the leather develops its legendary durability. The transformation is chemical, but the result is purely aesthetic, a blank canvas for high-end fashion.
Compression is key to creating a uniform thickness across the entire surface of the hide. The hide is now ready for the final curing process, where it will gain its final texture and strength.
Controlled dehydration ensures the leather doesn't become brittle, maintaining its natural suppleness.
Only the top 1% of hides pass the final inspection to become Capital Bull's signature leather.
We move into the manufacturing phase, where precision technology meets artisan design.
Digital cutting ensures a perfect fit for every component, minimizing waste and maximizing quality. Structural components are cut with traditional blades to maintain the integrity of the heavy-duty fibers. The horns are now integrated into the design, carved into unique hardware for the bags. Each horn accessory is unique, preserving the natural marbling and color of the original bone.
Manual detailing adds the human touch that distinguishes luxury goods from mass-produced items.
Polishing reveals the hidden depths of the horn, creating a luster that rivals precious stones. A collection of bespoke hardware, each piece a tribute to the animal it came from. This is the heart of the factory, where the leather and horn finally come together.
Structural integrity is built stitch by stitch, using high-tensile threads designed for a lifetime of use.
Traditional techniques are used alongside modern machines to ensure every detail is flawless.
Edge finishing is a multi-step process that protects the leather and gives it a refined, professional look.
The fusion of materials is the defining moment of the Capital Bull process.
The final seal of quality, representing the culmination of hundreds of hours of labor.
A final treatment protects the leather from the elements, ensuring it maintains its luster in any environment.
This final polish is the last touch before the bag undergoes its final quality audit. 0 defects is the only acceptable standard. Anything less than perfection is rejected. Every bag is a numbered masterpiece, traceable back to the very day the material arrived.
The presentation is as important as the product, creating an unboxing experience that reflects the brand's prestige.
From the ranch to the box, the attention to detail never wavers.
The journey from Capital Bull HQ to the world's most exclusive boutiques is ready to begin. A new standard of luxury is on the move, destined for those who demand the absolute best.
The final destination is the pinnacle of the fashion world, where the process meets its public.
In this setting, the raw power of the Longhorn is finally fully refined into an object of pure desire. The true value of our work is felt in the moment of contact, where quality speaks for itself. It is more than an accessory. It is a legacy of craftsmanship and a tribute to the natural world. A complete collection that redefines what it means to be truly unique in a world of mass production. No two pieces are ever the same, ensuring that every owner possesses something truly original. Excellence in service matches the excellence in production, completing the Capital Bull experience.
A statement piece that stands out in the urban landscape. A piece of the wild refined for the elite.
Wherever it goes, it carries the story of its origin, a story of precision, power, and perfection.
The cycle is complete, from the vast plains to the height of sophistication.
At Capital Bull HQ, the lights never go out. The search for perfection is a never-ending pursuit. Capital Bull HQ, where nature is perfected and luxury is redefined.